tank.
Tanks are heavily armored ground vehicles designed for direct combat. They combine strong firepower, thick protection, and tracked movement that allows them to cross rough terrain. First introduced during World War I, tanks changed how battles were fought by breaking through defensive lines. Their presence on the battlefield often signals strength and control.
Armored personnel carrier.
Armored personnel carriers are built to transport soldiers safely across dangerous areas. They are lightly armed but focus more on protection and mobility. These vehicles allow troops to reach the battlefield while reducing exposure to enemy fire. They play a key role in keeping infantry protected during movement.
Infantry fighting vehicle.
Infantry fighting vehicles are similar to armored carriers but are more heavily armed. They not only transport troops but also support them in combat with cannons or missiles. This dual role makes them more versatile on the battlefield. They bridge the gap between transport and direct engagement.
Self-propelled artillery.
Self-propelled artillery vehicles carry large guns mounted on a mobile platform. Unlike traditional artillery, they can move quickly after firing, reducing the risk of counterattacks. This mobility allows them to support troops while staying out of direct combat. They are essential for long-range firepower.
Multiple launch rocket system.
Multiple launch rocket systems fire several rockets in quick succession over a wide area. Instead of precision, they focus on overwhelming targets with volume. These vehicles are often used to strike large enemy positions or disrupt formations. Their impact can change the pace of a battle within moments.
Main battle tank.
Main battle tanks represent the most advanced form of tank design. They combine speed, heavy armor, and powerful weapons into one platform. Developed during the Cold War, they replaced earlier tank types with a more balanced design. They remain a central force in modern armies.
Scout vehicle.
Scout vehicles are light and fast, designed for reconnaissance missions. They gather information about enemy positions and terrain without engaging in heavy combat. Their speed and low profile help them avoid detection. This role is crucial for planning and decision-making in operations.
Military truck.
Military trucks are used to transport supplies, equipment, and troops. They may not be heavily armed, but they are essential for logistics. Armies rely on them to move food, fuel, and ammunition across long distances. Without these vehicles, sustained operations would not be possible.
Attack helicopter.
Attack helicopters are aircraft designed specifically for combat support. They carry missiles, rockets, and machine guns to engage ground targets. Their ability to hover and maneuver makes them effective in close support roles. They bring flexibility and rapid response to the battlefield.
Transport helicopter.
Transport helicopters focus on moving troops and equipment quickly, especially in areas difficult to reach by land. They can land in tight spaces and provide rapid deployment. This makes them valuable for both combat and rescue missions. Their role is centered on mobility and speed.
Fighter jet.
Fighter jets are fast, agile aircraft built for air-to-air combat. They protect airspace and engage enemy aircraft. Over time, they have evolved to include advanced radar and weapon systems. Control of the skies often depends on these highly capable machines.
Bomber aircraft.
Bomber aircraft are designed to carry and drop large amounts of explosives on targets. They operate over long distances and can strike strategic locations. From World War II to modern conflicts, bombers have played a major role in shaping outcomes. Their power lies in their reach and payload.
Aircraft carrier.
Aircraft carriers are massive naval ships that serve as floating air bases. They allow aircraft to operate far from land, extending a nation's reach across oceans. These ships are central to modern naval power. Their presence can influence entire regions without direct combat.
Submarine.
Submarines operate underwater, making them difficult to detect. They are used for stealth missions, surveillance, and launching attacks. Their hidden nature allows them to approach targets without warning. This makes them one of the most strategic assets in naval warfare.
Destroyer.
Destroyers are fast and versatile naval ships equipped to handle multiple threats. They can defend against aircraft, submarines, and other ships. Over time, they have evolved into highly advanced platforms with guided missiles and radar systems. Their flexibility makes them key to fleet operations.